You smell that?
Water?
Yeah. Acid.
Maybe we should get back a little. No! Okay. Wait, I'm gonna need my sandals real quick.
Let's play in the rain. Casey, what you saying? Casey, where'd Daddy phone? Where'd Daddy phone? You have Daddy phone? Casey, come here.
It's raining. It's raining! Ow! 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 I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet. Ow! Ow! Ah! It's pouring really hard. Look at that.
Oh, come back.
Ah! Ah! Oh my God. Heavy rain incident. Oh my God! Oh my God! The rain is acid, okay? The rain is acid.
Let's run around the pool. Ready? Go.
Stay indoors. I said rain, stay indoors. He's scared. Oh no! Acid rain, real. Okay, now how do I get out of here, bro? Now how do I get out of here? Oh shoot. How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here, guys? It's raining. Stay indoor, guys. Wow, good. It's raining. Now I don't even.
Just like this, man.
Now I don't even see the sun anymore, bro. Ugh.
Oh, gotta get inside before I get sick. That's not a good sign. You like that picture?
That's not good.
No?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's not very good, is it?
It's about to be a flood.
Oh, you can leave that one, okay?
Okay. Yo, it's raining. Beware, Roblox players. If it's raining at your country, stay indoors. Because it's Roblox. Dad, at 5 p.m., it's going to be 40% thunderstorm.
Oh, I heard thunder a while ago. Cool.
Okay.
I don't work and you don't jog. Oh, I'm soaking wet.
Hey, this should be his first step. I took a video at a phone at the pool, and I was so cold. Seriously, I was so cold. Dang, dude, it's raining. Hey, this should be his first nap.
Well, that was fun, huh?
Uh-huh. I'm still watching the brain.
Oh, I need to change my shirt.
What?
It's still cold.
Cold?
Yeah.
We're in Russia, dude. Not really. We're not in Russia. Okay? We're not in Russia. Dang, bro, it's so cold. And rainy and wet. Dang, bro. Alright, let's go and see the pool. Get into the shade! Get into the shade! Dang. Dang, bro. It's raining. Beware, acid rain. Stay indoors, okay? Okay, that's it. Hey, what is that? What is that over there? And it missed.
Yeah. Sit here. Yeah, just chill
You
here.
saw lightning?
I saw a flash. So that's why you gotta sit here and then you can see more on the outside. Here. Here, sit here. And then you kind of just wait. It's a waiting game
is it
now.
from over there? Is it from over there?
You can't tell. It could be anywhere. It could be anywhere. You sit in the middle here, and then that way you can see that side and that side. Oh, there's a cat too. Cat. Yeah. And you like cats.
Yeah, I like cats.
So make friends with that cat.
Hold on, is that a creepy face? Look at that creepy face.
Yeah, I see it too.
Looks like a god. God Zeus. God Zeus, you're the powerful god. Alright guys, if you hear any thunder, looks like a scary face. Guys, if you think that scary face is scary, oh no. Oh my god. Look at that face over there. Guys, look at that face. Look at that face, guys.
Your third eye. See the black dot?
No, I don't see it.
This is your third eye. That's the eye. See that? See that brown thing? Like that. Does it look like a third eye?
I don't think so.
Like that. That round thing.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, it's like a third eye.
And now it's raining hard. Nah, look.
Your third eye. See the black dot? Right?
Yeah, I think that's it. Now it's raining hard. Should we get inside or?
Oh, I like it. Something like this doesn't come around that often, so you kind of. But you can go inside, huh? I want to enjoy this.
It's okay. I can relax with you. Hey. Oh, dude, it's the rumbling. It's the rumble fruit. Oh no! No, just kidding. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. You guys don't hear any lightning. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh my god. Relax, guys. It's just my dad taking out the trash. Or is it? Oh. Hold on, let me close the door real quick. Okay, there we go. Dang, dude. It's raining. You guys hear any raining or thunder? Okay. It haven't rained since like summer, a long time. Relax, guys. It's just my brother. Ay. Now let me check on my dad. Just keep watching. Just keep watching. Sorry, guys. One. Hold on. Oy. One. Oh.
Do you like this?
Yeah. Now I can record the rain.
A friend of mine drew it. She said that it was that photo? Dragon's eye.
Dragon's eye.
Yeah, because that eye right there.
Oh.
Cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm glad we experienced it today, yo. Handshakes, huh?
What was that?
Oh, that's just the ghost going in.
No! That's not a ghost. That's not a ghost.
He'll stay there for a little bit, then he'll go away.
That was the door moving.
Because moving by itself.
What was that? No, that
Thunder.
thing.
I hear thunder rumbling.
At 10. By the 10, I'll end it. I see the sun. Not really.